Hi, welcome to Free Spirit, and welcome to another thing I wanted to share on my YouTube channel that I thought would be helpful to anyone out there that is really into numbers. So everybody is catching on to the synchronicity of numbers. You may constantly find yourself looking at the clock and seeing a certain series of numbers. The most infamous was 1111, was going around, but you can see there are meanings in all numbers. So you could really be paying attention now to the synchronicity of the numbers that you see, whether it's what you see on the clock, numbers that come out on anywhere. They all have significance. So what I always keep open, the best website that I've found over the years that I keep open, honestly, is called Angel Numbers, Joanne Scribes. And I'll put the link down below. But there is an index here of every single, if you zoom in here, there's single digits, double digits, triple digits, everything. And if you just click on one of them, say this one that's highlighted, 222, let's see if we get into, 236, okay, that wanted to open. It will go into 236 is a compilation of the attributes of number 2. It gives you the vibrations, the energies. Look at this. It relates to faith, trust, serving your life purpose, and soul mission. Number 3 is manifestation and manifesting, ascended masters. It goes into depth. And let me just look, divine life path. It is beautiful. It is really, really beautiful. When I say that I refer to it, it's almost like my little encyclopedia of numbers. A lot of the times you see numbers and you do get a feeling of what it means to you and you just go with that. But if you're ever in doubt or want to see the actual full explanation of what it consists of, the energies, the resonance, what it means, literally, the spiritual meaning of that number, I look no further than this site. It is like my go-to for many years now. Like I said, I keep it open on my website. When I was pricing decks, when I'm doing anything, when I want to see what the number, the energy of that number, I mean, you can look at this. It's all here. You click it on any of them and you will get it. It's always on point. It always feels right on target as well. And granted, some numbers you know what it is, but when it starts getting into double digits, triple digits, and all of that, to see what it is made of is so amazing. And when you start opening up to the sacred symbols and the angel meanings of numbers, it only opens you up further to be more open to the synchronicity of numbers. And what's really astonishing is, I know years ago, I mean, everybody talks about 1111, but it goes deeper than that. It really does. You start noticing it in everything. I'll tell you, even the videos that I post to the channel, whatever the message is, I look to the number, like what the length of the video is. I see it plays a part to the message. You can also add numbers together and come up with a number. But also whatever the greater number, what is in that number, it gets more complicated when you get into triple and quadruple digits. I love this website. So I wanted to leave this. I'll put it in the description box like I do all my videos, but I wanted to leave this too. If you're into numbers, you're being astonished by the synchronicity of numbers, or you keep seeing recurring numbers and you're like, what does that mean? What am I supposed to feel from that? I definitely, it's my number one website that I personally use all the time, and it couldn't be easier with the index of numbers. So when you go to this, it will have, I don't know if it goes directly to the index. So when you go to Angel Numbers, I'll give you the website for Angel Numbers, Joanne's Sacred Scribes, but you're want to click on the index, the numbers up here. It will go into depth on like what you could click on different parts of here. What are angel numbers, how to read the angel numbers, all about angels. I mean, there's a lot of, look, mixed number sequences. There's a lot of information on here. The vibrations of the numbers 0 to 10, all of this. But what I click onto is the index of number. It's like the encyclopedia of numbers. And you could get all the energies that are here within there. Here, let's just pick another one, just to end it with you. Here, 414. It's a combination. It will give you all the attributes, the energies. Archangels number 1. You create your own realities with your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. 414 is a message that you're being divinely and angelically guided. Yes, the angels are assisting you with aligning your vibrations with your life purpose and soul mission. Yes, trust that you're being led along your divine life path and are being fully supported by the angels and archangels. Listen to your intuition and take positive action. Yes, it's a message from your angels that you are to look to new ways to go about getting your work done more effectively and efficiently. Listen to your intuition. Um, See how it goes into depths, and it will also give you below. See also repeating fours and ones. Because 414, it even shows how you can add up numbers. 414 equals 9, so you may want to look up the angel number 9 as well. So listen, I encourage anyone who is really learning about the synchronicity and the meanings of numbers, and not just when you're doing card readings, but in your life, living living it, the synchronicity of living with the synchronicity of numbers and how they play in your life, and how things are being communicated to you through the numbers. Or it could just be like a really special explanation point, some kind of hidden message. If you keep on seeing, like I said, you look at the clock, it keeps being a certain time. If you just happen to catch your eye certain numbers over and over again, you might want to really look it up and dive deeper, because there could be a hidden spiritual message for you. And I really wholeheartedly do recommend this website, because it is like my encyclopedia. I use it all the time. So I'll put it down below in the description box. I just wanted to leave that with you as well, if you're really catching on to the synchronicity of numbers and just so curious. So again, I go back here to the index part, the numbers up top there, and look. I mean, no other website I've ever seen has single digits, double digits, triple digits, um, going down, going down, going down. I mean, look at this. Then we have 4 digits, okay? And so then you can also look at what's divisible, what makes up that number. It goes all the way. Where does this go? Let's see. I'll tell you where it goes down. It's going, 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 going. I mean, when I say it's like an encyclopedia of numbers, and then, so it goes down to 333. And repeating number sequences, it's going to give you that as well to look up. And repeating number sequences, look at this, repeating ones, repeating twos, repeating threes, all the way also. It's so informative. I mean, so I know this is like a little cryptic, this kind of video to do, but I wanted to leave you some informative, another website that is so informative and so helpful when it comes to sequence of numbers and angel messages and the significance. What's the message, the meaning of those actual numbers? And of course, nobody, I mean, maybe 0 to 10 or 0, whatever it is that we use all the time, but to have this at my fingertips, I can't tell you how many times I refer to this website. If I'm ever curious, it's like my encyclopedia when it comes to coming to the numbers. So again, this is called Angel Numbers, Joanne, Sacred Scribes. I'll put the link down below, because I think it's called Sacred Scribes Angel Numbers. Just fabulous. And like, look no further. Once I found this years ago, I don't really, it's my encyclopedia. This is where I go to for all my meanings. Yeah, this is my source. So I wanted to share that with you, because like I said, this is really becoming almost like mainstream, to the, like, it's no secret that there's messages, there's meaning, it's sacred meanings in numbers, and we're catching on to that. And once you open yourself up to that, it's like you start noticing it more and more, and you get more and more messages. Numbers speak to you more. So it's a beautiful way to really open yourself up to be more aware of it, to be more open to it, to recognize it. And then, you want to find out the meaning. It's delving into here and getting that secret message. Like, I use this all the time, and I thought I would post this to the channel and share this with all of you as well. And so this has just been a quick video to show you this website, and I'll post it down in the description box, but it will give you every meaning to every number that you could ever want and know. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.